Brother, most drivers want a car that lasts forever, but they run the engine cold and push it fast. Science from car reliability studies says cold engines wear metal faster due to poor lubrication flow. The solution is warming up smartly before load spikes. Practical tip: give it 30-60 seconds before driving off and avoid high RPM until oil circulates. Curious what tiny fluid most drivers ignore that can wreck big components? We dive into that next, buddy. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time, lowering its boiling point. Popular automotive science sources explain moisture contamination can reduce braking efficiency and stress seals. The fix is replacing fluid on schedule to protect internal parts. Practical tip: test fluid clarity yearly and replace every 2 years in most cars. Brother, clean fluid protects every rubber line and caliper seal. Curious why riding the brakes downhill is a long-term killer move? That's next, brother. Riding the brakes downhill overheats pads and fluid, stressing the system. Car basics say heat cycles harden rubber seals and increase internal wear. The solution is engine braking or manual gear control in automatics. Practical tip: use lower gears or L mode to reduce brake load. You're smarter for caring early, brother. Here's some fuel for your mindset. Stay positive, keep learning. Small habits protect big parts. You're ahead by listening. Curious why short trips are silently draining your car's lifespan? That's next, buddy. Short trips never let the engine reach optimal temperature. Global car discussions repeat that incomplete heat cycles create carbon buildup. The fix is longer, drives occasionally to burn deposits clean. Practical tip: do a 15-20 minute run once a week if you mostly do short trips. Brother, consistency beats intensity in car care. Curious why shifting to drive too fast after start shocks the drivetrain? That's next, brother. Shifting to drive instantly after start can spike load before fluids stabilize. Science from Automotive Basics says transmission fluid pressure needs a moment to balance. The fix is a tiny pause after start. Practical tip: wait 2 seconds before shifting. It protects clutch packs and valves. Curious why ignoring tire pressure is more than a safety issue and also an engine stress multiplier? That's next, buddy. Low tire pressure increases rolling resistance. Science from fuel economy studies says higher resistance forces the engine to work harder. The fix is keeping pressure optimized for your load. Practical tip: check pressure every 2 weeks and before long trips. Brother, balanced tires mean balanced engine stress. Curious what silent belt mistake causes expensive surprises? That's next, buddy. Brother, ignoring serpentine belt microcracks leads to slip and unstable accessory load. Car science basics say belt slip creates voltage instability and extra stress on pulleys. The fix is early belt inspection. Practical tip: replace belts when cracks show, don't wait for noise. Brother, quiet belts mean quiet wear. Curious why cheap fuel habits sometimes cost more in engine health? That's next, brother. Inconsistent fuel quality can change combustion stability. Science from Engine Basics says unstable combustion increases deposits. The fix is choosing reliable stations and occasional injector cleaner. Practical tip: every 3 months, add a reputable injector cleaner during a full tank. Brother, smooth combustion means smooth aging. Curious why ignoring air filter dirt is a silent engine choke? That's next, buddy. Brother, clogged air filters reduce oxygen flow, hurting combustion. Popular car science sources say poor airflow increases carbon buildup. The fix is filter discipline. Practical tip: replace every 10K, 15K kilometer or 6-12 months based on roads. Brother, dusty roads need faster swaps. Curious why overloading your electrical ports drains more than your battery? That's next, buddy. Constant accessory load through 12V ports or OBD drains electrical balance. Car electrical basics say overloads create voltage noise and alternator stress. The fix is wiring accessories to ignition power, not constant power. Practical tip: if you plug add-ons, unplug when parked. Brother, less noise means less stress. Curious why coolant neglect is a slow corrosion countdown? That's next, buddy. Brother, old coolant becomes acidic and loses anti-corrosion properties. Automotive science basics explain acidic coolant increases internal corrosion. The fix is coolant refresh on time. Practical tip: replace every 3 to 5 years depending on type. Brother, pink or long life coolants still need a schedule. Curious why bad parking angles can starve fluids at seals? That's next, buddy. Parking steep for long periods can shift fluid pressure at seals. Car basics say uneven fluid pooling stresses rubber points. The fix is level parking when possible. Practical tip: if you must park steep, keep duration short. Brother, balance protects chemistry and rubber equally. Curious why ignoring warm down time after highway runs traps heat stress? That's next, buddy. Brother, shutting off instantly after long highway runs traps turbo or engine bay heat. Automotive basics say residual heat stress ages oil and seals faster. The fix is a 10 to 20 second cool down idle before shutoff. Practical tip: especially for turbo cars, give it that breath. Brother, that tiny pause saves long-term oil breakdown. Curious why revving in neutral is silently risky? That's next, buddy. Revving in neutral spikes RPM without load balance. Science from Engine Basics says RPM spikes without pressure. Balance increase micro stress. The fix is avoiding free rev shows. Practical tip: test sounds with moderation, brother. Smooth pressure beats sharp peaks. Curious why ignoring parking brake use in automatics can shock the gearbox? That's next, buddy. Brother, skipping the parking brake forces the transmission to hold car weight on a tiny pin. Automotive basics explain this adds stress at incline parking. The fix is using the parking brake before shifting to park. Practical tip: on hills, brake first, park second. Brother, small steps protect big gears. Curious why door slam habits can shake electrical connections over time. That's next, buddy. Repeated hard door slams create vibration cycles. Car electrical basics say vibration loosens terminals and connectors. The fix is gentle mechanical respect. Practical tip: close doors firm, not loud. Brother, quiet is confident, loud is wear. Curious why ignoring dashboard warning timing makes problems grow roots. That's next, brother. Dashboard lights are early whispers, not late screams. Automotive science basics say early response protects lifespan. The fix is reacting when the light first talks. Practical tip: scan codes early or visit a mechanic if lights persist. Brother, early scans beat late bills. Curious why ignoring oil level balance costs more than oil chemistry? That's next, buddy. Too high or too low oil levels both stress engines. Automotive basics say imbalance creates pressure, stress, and aeration. The fix is perfect level discipline. Practical tip: check oil monthly when the engine is warm and rested. Brother, balance levels beat fancy labels. Curious why ignoring belt tension timing is more than noise. That's next, buddy. Brother, belt tension affects accessory rhythm and pulley stress. Car basics say bad tension equals bad load cycles. The fix is replacing tensioners when belts get new. Practical tip: new belt, healthy tensioner. Brother, matched pairs age smoother. Final one is key, buddy. Brother, car longevity is a system of systems. The 7 mistakes we covered shorten engine life by increasing heat cycles, deposits, corrosion, vibration stress, and fluid imbalance. The real fix is early discipline, clean contact, steady heat cycles, balanced fluids, and smart charging loads. Like, share, comment your experience. Brother, consult a certified mechanic if issues persist. Disclaimer: ask a certified professional if you have